What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to show you all my favorite part of the Integra, and that's how the chassis handles. So I'm going to take it on a spirited drive, do a POV so you all can feel what it's like to drive the Integra. I'm going to be trying some different things here in the coming videos, so I'm about to try a video without the intro. Let me know if you want the intro in the video or out the video. Saw a couple comments. Somebody says they skipped the intro. Somebody said they played the intro twice. I was personally thinking about removing the intro just because I started it at a time where I was struggling to make my videos long enough, but now I kind of don't need them and YouTube is kind of going away from that. So let me know what you think. Keep it in or take it out. I'm taking it out for now, but let me know in the comments down below. So let's jump in the Integra, let it warm up, put the GoPro on, and hop into it. Man, that's kind of weird to do. Don't know how to do my intro. I don't know. Let's get in the car. Before we jump into things, first order of business, boom. Second order of business, shout out to Honey Gang Nate, who was too scared to play me in basketball. Took a ball down to Florida, he didn't play. Shout out to Race Car Friends, who think he's Air Jordan, but he's like 5 feet tall. Shout out to Blueprint for being smart enough to never challenge me to basketball. All right, let's hop into it. Oh, got the new hooping shoes. Derrick Rose, the Legacy. These are my on-court only. These other Derrick Rose shoes, Adidas has the best hooping shoes to me. These are designated for outdoor only, formerly indoor. I'm out here trying to take thumbnails and I ruined my shoes. Stepped in the mud. Yeah, got mud all up in here. Gotta hit these. Oh my God. That's bad. Well, oh my God. So I definitely gotta come up out of these. Put them in the bag. Ruin my shoes. Oh my God, the bag got a hole. Gotta do this in the hoop shoes now, which are not flexible. Cannot put these things back in the car. That is terrible. Yeah, these are like 3D printed and there's mud all up in there. So I gotta really wash these things out. And some got on the other one. So, alright, back to the video. Alright, let's get to getting it out here. Ruin my good shoes. Those are my favorite shoes. It's air down, individual mode, which is set up to all sport mode for me. Mine is I got the cluster set to normal because it's easier for me to read because of the red. And sport mode, it's hard to read the gauge cluster. And let me make sure I got my suspension set to sport. Just hold this individual button. Okay, I got the idle stop start. I got that disabled, so we are good. For me, driving a slow car fast I got lost in the sauce, man. It's something I should have learned. So now with this car, I'm learning the limits of cars, and it's mad fun to me. It's the most fun I've had in the car. Like besides on the track, I can have boatloads of fun on the street. So shout out to Cam Block. Rest his soul, man, because he did a lot just for enthusiasts. He did a lot for the culture, man. The things that he done was insane with cars. I didn't even know that kind of stuff was possible. So rest his soul. So that's the kind of driving I want to learn how to do some of those things like he was doing. And this probably isn't the car for that front wheel drive, but the next car absolutely got to be able to do some stuff like that. So that's going to come in the form of rear wheel drive or all wheel drive. better than that, baby. about to go where we rode with Robbie with the Honda Civic Si. About to go on the same route because that's where this car can really come alive at. So it highlights the brilliance of this chassis. Alright, there's about to be some tire chirping here. I last came down here with the Camaro, but it was a nighttime video. This time around we can see some nice curves back here. One more time, but with traction control off. I feel like it was a bit intrusive this time. One more time. Traction control. Ooh. Wait, what that say? Reduced or off? Traction control reduced. Uh-oh. Somebody was asking me about the traction control. Gotta really watch out right here. So my traction control is just reduced and not turned all the way off. So I wonder what that's about to be like. So I gotta go through and read. I think it's something you gotta do while you're parked. I can't recall exactly, but I'll do it in another video. Gotta bang these turners, cut. You can just bang these corners going full speed, man. There we go. ABS kicking in. Woo! Now that is fun. Ain't over yet though. It ain't over. Kirk Franklin voice. Stomp. That red line just came in right on time. Alright, now let's go get on the on ramp. We can bring this thing to a close. Let's see what we got here. This chassis is amazing, man. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. Alright, y'all, that's about to be it for the fun driving right now. I'll see you all on the big camera. What that thing is? I hope you all enjoyed this driving part of it. Hopefully it translates, because that's about the most fun that I can have in the car, man. Just going as hard as I can. That's at the limit, like what we were just doing. Again, higher horsepower cars, you just cannot do that on the street, and you need to be on the track. So that's something I truly enjoy doing, and hopefully I can just hone into doing more of that. Shout out to the Integra and this chassis, man. It just is very, very lively. It's just stellar. Like, I can't praise this chassis anymore. And this car is so lightweight, especially for all the features that it has. Like 3,100 pounds. Like, it's not a whole lot of cars that weigh this little. It's not an econo box car. And especially an Acura, it only weighs about 130 pounds more than the Civic Si. So much praise to them for keeping the weight down. This car is highly tossable and just flat out fun while being a great daily driver. Also had to buckle in the kid seat back there. Alright, catch y'all at the house. Or, no, let me go pick up some food. But I'll catch y'all in a sec. And that's all she wrote. So I'm already here. Picked up my food. Got Nigerian today. Spicy kale, fufu here at Fork in Nigeria. It's a food truck here in Detroit, 7 Mile in Livernois. Or Livernois if you're French. Detroit if you're French too. But here they go. They're on the move. Big food truck back there. Hopefully I'm getting that. No parking, but everybody parks there. They don't have a parking lot. And I'll be on the move. My food was ready. It's about to be real good. About to go home, edit this video, upload it the same day. Hard work ethic. Let's go. But hope you all enjoyed today's upload. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Should I delete my intro? I don't know. Don't need it anymore. Used it for filler, but let me know in the comment section, please. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.